Welcome to episode 10 of our detailed Snowflake Core Certification Training podcast series brought to you by BrightFlux. I'm your host, Yaqub Abdul Hakim, a certified Snowflake user, and today we'll be diving deep into the concept of schema types in Snowflake. Understanding schema types is crucial not only for mastering Snowflake but also for efficiently managing data structures within your Snowflake environment. So let's get started. In Snowflake, a schema is essentially a logical grouping of database objects such as tables, views, and stored procedures. Schemas help in organizing these objects into separate namespaces, enabling you to manage and secure your data more effectively. When you're working with Snowflake, it's important to understand that there are primarily two types of schemas that you'll interact with: standard schemas and shared schemas. Standard schemas. These are the traditional schemas we're accustomed to in most database environments. In Snowflake, creating a standard schema means that you are setting up a dedicated namespace within a specific database where you can create, manage, and query data objects like tables, views, and more. This is the common approach for structuring data projects and ensuring that database objects are well organized. One of the key benefits of using a standard schema in Snowflake is the flexibility it offers. You have the complete freedom to structure your schema according to the specific requirements of your project. Additionally, standard schemas in Snowflake support all data object types, encompassing everything from tables and views to user-defined functions and stored procedures. This extensive support makes standard schemas incredibly versatile and a critical component of effective data management in Snowflake. Shared schemas. Unlike standard schemas, shared schemas in Snowflake operate a bit differently. A shared schema is essentially a read-only schema that is shared across Snowflake accounts. This feature is especially useful when you need to share data externally with partners or customers without giving them direct access to your main database. The shared schema allows external parties to access and query the data, but not modify it. This establishes a secure method for data sharing while maintaining the integrity of your original data. The process of setting up a shared schema involves creating the schema and its objects within your primary account and then sharing it with one or more target accounts. The receiving accounts gain read-only access to the schema, enabling them to query the data as if it were part of their own database without the ability to alter it. This mechanism not only facilitates secure data sharing but also simplifies cross-organization collaboration. In conclusion, understanding the differences between standard and shared schemas in Snowflake is fundamental for anyone aiming to achieve Snowflake Core certification. Each type of schema serves distinct purposes and offers unique benefits. Whether it's organizing data within your environment using standard schemas or securely sharing data with external parties using shared schemas, mastering these concepts is critical for efficient data management and collaboration in Snowflake. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of our detailed Snowflake Core Certification Training podcast series. I hope this deep dive into schema types in Snowflake has provided you with a solid understanding of the topic. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on Snowflake's features and functionality. Until next time, I'm Yaqub Abdul Hakim, wishing you success in your Snowflake journey.